So we are at the #1 beach in Sydney. It is Bondi Beach. I'm going to be taking a surfing lesson here in about 2 hours. So hopefully I don't get eaten by a shark. But let's go check out the beach. Now, one thing that's cool is they have these little pools. So you can come and swim in the water without the waves and things like that. So it's pretty cool for kids. Let's go check it out. So we're at the beginning of Bondi Beach Walk, and it goes all the way around to Coogee Beach, which is just a couple miles around the bend, but you can see all these cool beaches. And then along the way, there'll be Aboriginal cemeteries, because the Aborigines, they would bury their dead facing the ocean. So let's go check out some of the area real quick before I have to go hit my surfing lesson. So hang 10, gnarly, far out, radical. To break out my Bermuda shorts from the 90s. So if you come to Bondi Beach, there's a cool little coffee shop called Speedo's Cafe. They have an all-day menu also, so you can go there for lunch. Right next to it is Let's Go Surfing, where I took my surfing lesson. There is a restaurant called The Promenade. They have water refilling stations here, showers, bathroom, and weights. So if you want to get your workout on before you go to the beach so you can look swole for them ladies, you can do that. Fortunately, I don't have to impress her anymore. Maybe I do.
Wow.
Maybe I do. That's why I still go to the beach. I work out. Ooh, wiggle, 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 yeah. So if you come to Bondi Beach and you see blue surfboards in the sand, those blue surfboards are pointing out where the riptides are at. So you have an idea of where not to swim. And just remember, if you get caught in a riptide, don't panic. Just swim horizontal to the beach and you'll get out of it. If you come to Bondi and you don't want to be in the sand for some reason, maybe it's packed, they have this big green area that you can go lay out as well. So plenty of places, even if the beach is packed, for you to lay out, listen to the waves, enjoy the breeze, and get some rays. So probably the last thing I'd say that you should try out maybe is the icebergs at Bondi Beach. So it's a club, but you can go into the pool and use the pool. So that's sweet. I'm not going to go into it today because I just spent like 2 hours against the current and I'm a little tired. So I'm going to take a little break for a while. Maybe on the way back I'll hit it. But the icebergs, gotta check it out. Oh, and you can even go up to the top and have lunch if you make reservations.